And only now I'm feeling, make your love healing. I show you love. I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's do a quick unboxing of the Huawei Y7A 4GB 128GB variant. And this has a quad AI cameras ready to explore anytime with 2MP macro camera, 2MP depth camera, 48MP high resolution camera, and 8MP ultra wide angle camera. And this features a 6.67 inches Full HD display and a remarkable 90.3% screen to body ratio. Then we have here the 22.5 watt Huawei supercharged adapter, a free jelly case, a wired earphones which you see rarely at this time, and a Type-C charging cable. We also have the box itself. Together inside are the warranty cards and other documents that you need, and also the SIM injector is also there. And look at how pretty this phone is. This is a blush gold with a bit of a silvery shade on top, a pinkish shade at the middle, and lastly, gold shade. And guys, dapat palaging nakalagay yung jelly case ng phone na to kasi super smudge magnet talaga nito. And it's one of the cons of this phone though, for the physical appearance lang naman. Although, all in all, maganda naman siya in person. And ang sarap niyang hawakan, ang laki ng screen, yung bezels niya super thin. Nakalagay dito din yung fingerprint scanner, yung volume rack. We also have on the sides, makikita mo naman, maganda yung haptic response niya. And napakabilis mag-scroll. Super smooth to touch talaga tong phone na to. Kung di ako nagkakamali, the Huawei Y7A smartphone was released in late 2020 and it is powered by high silicon Kirin 710A chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This phone is already available in the flagship stores of Huawei, and I got this at SMC side flagship store